Hi, it's Fies Tarot. Hello, Scorpio placements. So, let's see. This is for you, singles, Scorpio, and the current person, the person on your mind reading. So, September po, ha? Okay. So, let's see. Pero syempre, again, before tayo mag-start, kung hindi ka pa nakakapag-subscribe, please do subscribe and hit the notification bell para lagi po tayo maging updated sa mga mangyayari pa lang. And again, kung meron pong tanong pagdating sa private reading, just message me sa akin pong FB page for more info. Ganun rin po pagdating sa ating mga items and charms. Okay, so yes, we do have protection from evil eye. So, meron tayong ring. Ito yung sample ng ring natin. This is adjustable. So, meron din tayong necklace and bracelets. Okay? So, meron din naman tayo mga charms. Ito yung sample ng ating pangtaboy. Okay? Pangtaboy malas. O, diba? Sinasabi nga nung iba. Pangtaboy MALAS. Pangtaboy alat. Mga ganyang bagay. So, oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh, so, ang tawag ko dito is yung ating cord cut. Usually, ang alam ng mga tao pagdating sa cord cutting is for love only. No, for me, lalahatin natin yan. Kung sino man yung nagbibigay sa'yo ng pasakit at pahirap at kung ano man, yun ang tatanggalin natin gamit itong ating cord cut. Okay? So, pwede rin yan sa'yo, pwede rin yan sa bahay, pwede rin yan sa business mo. Kung sa tingin mo parang inaalat ka, bumababa yung sales mo, mga ganyang bagay. Okay? And syempre, meron din tayo pagdating sa love and money. Okay? So, meron tayong 2-in-1 love and money bracelet. Okay? So ito siya. Okay, so meron tong citrine stone na mga nakalagay din dyan. And yeah, ginagamit ng mga nagbi-business madalas yung citrine. Kasi si citrine, tinatawag yung the merchant stone, okay, the money magnet. Okay, so ano pa ba? Kung lalaki ka, kung gusto mo nito, okay, syempre hindi mo masusuot yan, pwede mo siyang ilagay sa red pouch, okay? Wala namang problem doon. And, eto naman, kung ayaw mo rin namang isuot, pwede mo siyang ilagay sa white pouch, okay? And, yung ating granter. So, si granter, yung tagapag-grant ng inyong mga minamanifest, and tagapagbigay ng surprises at least twice per week. Okay? Meron tayong ongoing promo actually. So, hanggang September lang talaga yon. Ngayong September ko lang talaga ibibigay yung promo na yon. So, habol na lang po kayo. Okay? And yes, available rin yung ating tawag dyan pang-cleanse. Okay? Pang-cleanse ng inyong charms, crystals. Okay? So, ang laman ng ating cleansing kit ay white sage and selenite crystal. So, sila yung parang nag-aalis. Hindi pala parang. Sila mismo nag-aalis ng negative energies na nakuha ng inyong charms or crystal mo. Or, ang tawag dyan, sila rin yung si selenite po yung magbibigay or magre-recharge doon sa mga charms and or crystal mo. Okay? So, overnight, tatabi mo lang siya kay selenite. Pauusukan mo ng kaunti gamit yung ating white sage. Ganun lang kadali. Okay? Hindi ka na para maghintay ng full moon, mga ganyang bagay. So, anyway, let's start the reading. Yeah. Meron tayong charm reading sa end ng video actually. So, wag agad-agad aalis, 'di ba? So, single Scorpio, may parating ba? May parating ba sa'yo? So, this is love read for our single Scorpios. So, may darating ba ngayong September sa'yo? Scorpio placements, may darating ba? May darating ba sa mga Scorpios, single Scorpios this September? Oh, meron! The Ace of Cups, and this is new. Okay, this is new. What's with that Ace of Cups? The Nine of Wands in reversed. Talagang magugustuhan mo agad tong taong to. Sa totoo lang. Water and fire. Let's see, anong meron sa kanya, Scorpio? Anong meron sa kanya? Anong meron? The Six of Wands in reverse. This person doesn't want na parang, eto may pagka-jealous. May pagka-jealous yung person. Sa totoo lang. Okay, the Six of Wands in reverse. May pagka-seloso or selosa. The Ace of Coins. Ang taong to, gusto lagi siya yung mapapansin, mga ganyang bagay, no? Ayaw nito na parang mababaliwala. May ganun siyang energy, ha? So, sinasabi ko lang, yun yung parang deep na kung anong meron dun sa person. Anyway, facade. Sa facade nung tao, some of them, sila yung parang bigay. Alam mo bakit? Para makuha nila yung attention mo. Ganon siya. Okay? Pwedeng sabihin nating lagi siyang may something na bago pagdating sa sarili, pagdating sa damit, mga ganyang bagay para makuha yung attention mo. Okay? Siya yung sabihin nating talagang challenge no, sa mga nakakasama, mga ganung bagay. May earth sign and fire sign dun sa person. May ganun siyang energy. So, anong kailangan mong malaman sa kanya? Anong kailangan mong malaman dun sa tao? Aside dun sa ating mga nakita. Yeah, the King of Wands in reversed. Ayaw ng taong to na matatalo siya. Sa totoo lang. Itong taong to talaga, sanay siya na siya yung pinagpupursuhan. Siya yung inaaksyonan. See? The Seven of Wands. Yes. May chance rin itong taong ito. Ang kailangan mong malaman sa kanya is they can reject. Okay? They can reject. May pagkaano rin siya. Mainitin ng ulo. I'm sorry, Scorpio. Yes, may darating nga, pero the person is for me. Ayoko. Okay. Some of you, there could be 2 person coming in this September. There's 2. Ace of Cups, Ace of Coins. Okay? So, some of you, younger yung isa. Yung isa naman medyo mature. Okay? May magi-interrupt dito, Scorpio. Sabihin ko sa inyo, may chance na dalawa yung person na pwedeng into you this September. Pero parang sabihin nating itong isa masyadong may pagka-war freak. Yung isa naman masyadong soft. Okay? So, I don't know kung sino yung pipiliin mo dun. The soft or the hard? Scorpio. Let's see. Ay, naku po, Diyos ko. The star. Merong nag-a-admire dito. Okay, the Knight of Coins. So, yung isa, pwedeng gagawa ng hakbang. Yung isa naman is hindi. Okay? May chance kasi na parang, nahihiya ako, mga ganyang bagay. Yung isa naman, talaga naman, gagawin ko lahat. Makita lang niya. Or mapansin lang niya ako. Mga ganyang bagay. Okay? So, yun meron tayong nakitang dalawa. So, tayo tumungo na sa person on your mind. Scorpios, the person on your mind. The person on Scorpio's mind. Who is this? Who is this? The person on Scorpio's mind. Who is this? Okay, the moon. You're mirroring each other. There's this secrets, longing. What's with that moon? Yeah, the Three of Wands. You're waiting for them. You're waiting for this person. You're expecting too much from the person, maybe. Why Scorpio? Yeah. Pisces. Pisces. Some of you could be dealing with another Scorpio. Okay? Pisces and the fire sign. And Aries. May paglayo ako nakikita dito, ha? May iba sa inyo, hindi pa kayo nakikita ng taong to. Sa totoo lang. Excuse me. Like, personal na pagkikita. Pwedeng online lang kayo nag-uusap ng taong to, mga ganyang bagay. Anong kailangan mong malaman ngayon sa taong to? Kamusta siya? The star. The star. Could be an aqua. They're healing. Some of them, they're praying. Seven of Swords. Ace of Coins. Excuse me. Magaling magsalita tong taong to, Scorpio. Okay? They're wearing a mask. Parang may facade lang na ipinapakita itong taong to, but yes, merong mga something behind the story. Okay? Gagandahan lang niya yung kwento. Parang may ganun. Gagandahan lang niya yung kwento. Pero there's this something like filtered. Kung anong meron sa inyo sa situation. Parang pinapaasa ka nito, Scorpio. I think pinapaasa ka nito. What is their emotion for you? What is their emotion? What is their emotion for you? Yeah, the Sun in reverse, unsure. Could be a Leo. Yeah, Page of Swords in reverse. They're unsure. Iba sa kanya, pwedeng tingin niya sa'yo, hindi ka rin sure sa kanya. Yeah. Tingin niya tong taong to, hindi ka rin sure sa kanya. Napaka-komplikado naman itong connection na to. It's too complicated. Sabi ko nga, you're mirroring each other. First na sinabi ko dito, you're mirroring each other. So maybe, kung ikaw uncertain, pagdating sa person, ganun din siya. Yeah. Hindi ko alam kasi itong taong to, hindi to magsisikreto. Okay? Nang kung ano man na pangit. Kasi parang fini-filter niya everything. Like, gusto niya na marinig mo is yung magaganda lang. Bakit kailangan niyang itago or hindi sabihin sa'yo yung mga pangit? So, diba? May chance na masasabi natin yung person is takot rin sa kung anong pwede mong sabihin. Kapag sinabi niya yung bad side maybe ng situation na meron siya. So, uncertain. No, unsure yung person pagdating sa'yo. Yun ang tingin niya eh. And tingin niya nga din sa'yo is hindi ka sigurado rin sa kanya. That is why pinifilter niya yung mga dapat niyang sabihin. Dapat magaganda lang. What is your next action? Gusto ko malaman ano ba yung totoong sitwasyon. Yung iba kasi sa inyo nakikita ko malayo kayo. LDR. LDR, hindi nyo pa nalalaman ang background ng isa't isa. Pwedeng hindi nalalaman dahil hindi talaga ino-open or hindi talaga transparent. Okay? Anong kailangan mo malaman sa situation ng person na to, Scorpio? Kasi they're hiding things. They're hiding something. The Seven of Swords. What are they hiding? The Seven of Swords. What are they hiding? Oh my gosh, the Lovers. Another connection. Another connection. Another connection. Ayaw ng taong to na ikaw ay mawawala rin sa kanya. Ayaw ng taong to na mawawala ka rin sa kanya. Na mawawala ka sa kanya. Yeah, the Three of Coins. There could be a third party connection here. So, talagang itong taong to, pinifilter niya everything para mapaasa ka. I don't know. The Moon, this is secrets. Mga tago na kung ano man. Naasa ka tuloy. Pinapaasa ka. What is their next action, Scorpio? Seven of Wands. This is tension. Magbi-build up yung tension dito. Sa totoo lang. Yeah, the Eight of Cups in reverse. The Devil. The attachments. Hanggat ito ay patagal sa kung anong meron sa inyo, hindi mawawala or hindi may sasantabi na magkaroon talaga ng attachments na dito, longing, craving for each other. Okay, so their next action is the Seven of Wands and the Eight of Cups. Seven of Wands, this is sabihin nating yung person is mag-a-act as somebody na parang hindi transparent or hindi lahat oo. Okay? Hindi laging oo. Hindi lagi yung present sa'yo. Okay? Pero hindi mo yan makikitang lalayo or magdi-detach. Na magbibigay ng confusion talaga pagdating sa'yo, Scorpio. Yeah. Outcome nyo this September. A lot of thinking. Overthinking. Being stuck. Eight of Swords. Yeah, and the Knight of Wands. You're dealing with a player, Scorpio. And hindi mo alam yon. This is manipulation. The Nine of Cups is here in reverse. This is attachments or energy ng codependency. Okay, and the Six of Coins in reverse. Another energy ng sabihin nating one-sidedness sa connection. Meaning to say, there is no peace of mind, there is no clarity pagdating sa situation. It's like walang ruta, walang direction. Pahampas-hampas po yung connection nyo ng taong to. Para siyang lumubog-lumitaw. Yung connection. Parang lumubog-lumitaw. Okay, iba sa inyo, pwedeng hindi kayo magkausap ngayon and yes, you're waiting for the person to contact you. Niho, walang sinabi to na dahilan bakit siya nawala. Yeah. Iiwanan ka lang nito ng malaking question mark. Bakit siya nawala? Or bakit siya hindi nagiging consistent sa'yo? Yeah, ito yun. Okay? So, there. Dapat, mag-background check ka dun sa person para alam mo lahat. Yun nga lang, hindi natin makukuha or makikita talaga kahit anong gawin natin. Okay? Kasi kung hindi rin naman sila makikipag-cooperate ng ayos. Okay? So, gawin mo kung anong dapat mong gawin, Scorpio. Yeah. So, tayo pumunta na sa all signs. All signs. Aries through Pisces. Then, after this, dun tayo sa charm reading. Okay? So, Scorpio, all signs. Aries, they're dropping you. They're surrendering. Taurus, there's infidelity. Some of them, they're mad or afraid. Gemini, I'm hearing accountability with a Gemini. So this is energy ng responsibility or being responsible, something like that. Okay? And I'm hearing codependency. So Cancerian, they're not talking, they're thinking of you. I'm hearing somebody wants to rest. Leo, they want to communicate. Virgo, energy of repeat. Libra, a missed opportunity. Scorpio, there could be an energy of options. Okay? Energy rin ng pag-iisip whether to reach out or not. Sagittarius, they're a juggler. Capricorn, they want your attention. They're jealous, some of them. So Aquarius, they want another chance with you, feeling a missed opportunity. Si Aqua. And Pisces, they are trying to hide from you. Okay, trying to detach, trying to avoid. So yeah, there, yun ang ating reading for you, Scorpio. Okay, so tayo ay tumungo. Tayo ay tumungo doon sa ating charm reading, o diba? So ano ba ang ating makukuha dito? So kayo nang bahala kung paano nyo i-connect, okay, yung ating mga makukuha dito. Could be a letter, initial, mga ganyan, signs, okay? So kuha tayo ng ilan. I saw letter Y. Ano pa? One more. Nabunot. Oo. Scorpio. Scorpio. There you go. Meron ako nakitang O and letter Q. Okay. So, letters. We have here letter E. Letter E could be your initial or could be your person's initial. We have here letter H. Sorry ha, hindi ganun kaganda talaga yung ating camera. Yeah, so yan, letter H. Pwedeng name mo, pwedeng name ni person, mga ganyang bagay, or meron kang basta, pwede mo mai-connect. Meron ditong energy ng Sagittarius. Sagittarius. Could be dealing with a Sagittarius, or meron kang Sagittarius sa yung birth placement, no, birth chart placement. So meron tayo ditong, hindi ko talaga alam yung tawag sa ganitong pendant. Baka meron kang ganyan. Okay? A moon, crescent. Dalawang moon na crescent with a star. A bone. Pwedeng meron kang pet. We have here a mermaid tail. Fish tail. Cocktail. Cocktail glass. Oh my gosh. Okay? So, pwedeng marunong ka maggawa ng cocktail, mga ganyang bagay. Okay? It's up to you kung paano mo i-connect sa buhay mo. So, another fish tail or a mermaid tail. So, meron tayo, ano to? Oh my gosh. A key with a wing. Diba? Hindi ko alam paano may i-connect to sa buhay mo, ha? Okay? A key. A shellfish. A shell. It's a shell. Another moon, another crescent moon with a star. Potion, love rituals, mga ganyan. Kasi Some of you, this is pababalik. Okay, I'm seeing here an open door, no? Open door. Another chance, maybe wanting another chance. Seashell. Okay, a heart with half lang na color pink. So a donut. Okay, meron tayo dito, ano to? Heart. Tapos ang nakalagay, made with love. Oo, so sasabihin ko na lang, made with love. Hindi na makita sa ating camera, ang pangat ng camera natin. So, meron din dito mga evil eye. Evil eye. Pero parang silang flowers. Pero, ang design ay evil eye. We have here scissors, gunting. I don't know, some of you pwedeng gumagamit ka nito pagdating sa work. Okay, pwedeng mananahi ka, marunong ka magtahi or maggupit. Could be a barber, mga ganyan po, ha? Or pwedeng meron ka kilalang ganun na pwedeng nakadikit sa story mo. So, a duck na parang snowman. Snowman. A duck. O pwedeng meron ka alagang duck. This is a duck. Yeah, hindi siya snowman. Tingnan nga. Oh my gosh. Or maybe it's a snowman. Kasi para din siyang duck. Cute duck. Pero yeah, snowman. Okay. Flower. Green flower. Meron bang green na flower? So, another flower. Star. A yellow star. A crown. Some of you, pwedeng may garden ka. A crown. Rocking horse again. May iba dito parang, ang dami nanonood na buntis. So, meron ditong rose. Ito, okay, literal rose. Okay, clover leaf. A clover leaf. 4-leaf clover. Okay, so another cocktail glass. I don't know if this is cocktail or another rocking horse and heartbroken. Oh, so maybe this is talking about separation, heartbreaks. Okay, so there. Yun ang aking reading for you, Scorpio placements. Again, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And yeah, follow our FB page. And yung atin pong second YouTube channel na nasa description box below. Again, thank you. Bye!